Yeast. What is yeast? Yeast is a living organism that converts its food to alcohol and carbon dioxide. It's the carbon dioxide bubbles that make the dough rise. What is gluten? It is the protein part of the flour. When it is mixed with liquid, kneaded, and developed, it gives the dough its framework and structure. What are the three classes of yeast breads? Rolls, loaves, and donuts. How does the temperature of water affect the growth of yeast? If the temperature of the water is too hot, it kills the yeast. But if it is too cold, it slows the yeast down. What is the ripe test? Once the dough has doubled in volume, you put your two fingers in the middle of the dough, and if your imprint remains, the dough is able to be shaped. How do you know when the loaf of bread is ready to bake? The dough has risen a half inch over the top of the bread pan. What is proofing? The process by which carbon dioxide is produced in a yeast dough and the dough rises to double its original size. What are the main ingredients in yeast bread and their functions? Flour is the main ingredient that provides structure. All-purpose is the most common kind of flour used for bread. Yeast is the leavening agent. Sugar provides food for yeast, contributes to flavor and tenderness of bread. Salt helps regulate action of the yeast and enhance the flavor. Liquid forms gluten in the dough. It affects the flavor, consistency, and color of bread. The most common liquid used is water.